Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. Having a busy day, swamped with work, and wondering what to prepare for your next meal? Well, my go to recipe in such cases is a stir fry. You can serve it with just plain rice, some bread, or even plain noodles, and you have a full meal ready for you. Today, we are going to make a cashew and chicken stir fry. So what's different about this? Well, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and very easily tenderize the chicken pieces. And that means when you dig into a bowl of this stir fry, what you're going to get is really juicy and tender chicken. So let's get started. But before we do that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And please do click that tiny bell icon too and turn on all notifications. The first step for making the stir fry is to marinate your chicken. Now we're going to first marinate it with some baking soda. Now what that does is it tenderizes the chicken pieces. So make sure you don't skip this step. You need to rub the chicken pieces with some baking soda and leave it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, let's now prepare the sauce. For this, first take some corn flour and add some soy sauce to it and mix it well. And into this goes vinegar, oyster sauce, red chili sauce, some orange juice, sesame oil, brown sugar, pepper powder and red chili flakes. Mix this all properly and keep it aside. The chicken has been marinating for about 20 minutes now. So let's now wash it under running water so that we remove all that baking soda and then just drain the water and transfer it to a bowl. Into the chicken, let's now add half the prepared sauce. Mix it well and keep it aside. Let us now chop some vegetables for this stir fry. So we need some garlic. Chop it really fine. I'm taking a medium-sized onion here and we need to cut it into cubes. You need one bell pepper. So instead of taking one whole bell pepper, I am using all three different colors of bell pepper. So I've just taken 1/3 of each here. The prep work is all done. So let's now move on to making the stir fry. Let's add some oil and let it heat up. And into this goes in cashews. So the cashews have to be fried till they start changing color. Let's keep these cashews aside. And into the same kadai, let's add some more oil. Add the chopped garlic and fry it till it's fragrant. Next goes in the chopped onions. And we need to fry this till they're translucent. Next goes in the bell pepper. And just saute it for a couple of minutes. We need them to retain their crunch here. And to this, let's add the chicken which has been marinating in that sauce. So make sure you cook this on a high flame. The chicken will cook fast because it is tender and at the same time it's small pieces. So just keep stirring. And once the chicken is cooked, let's add the remaining sauce into this. Add some water and then just let it bubble for a couple of minutes till the sauce thickens and coats the chicken and the vegetables. Finally, add the fried cashews and give it a quick mix. So here you go, your stir fry is ready. So didn't I tell you it's a quick and easy meal to put together? So do try this out, and I hope you enjoy it.